Hello students, welcome back to our channel Solve for Success Maths. Today is day 4 of our intermediate maths bridge course. Today we'll discuss word problems using equations. But before that, we're going to recap what we have studied in our previous classes. So we have studied what is a variable and what is a constant. Also we studied expression and an equation, and also like terms and unlike terms, and what is a coefficient, and also algebraic identities. What are the algebraic identities? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, and the other identity is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, and then we study different types of equations, that is simple equation, equations with brackets, variables on both sides, and fractional equations. And these are the few examples of different types of equations. And in these equations, we can solve what is x. Okay, so if you missed any concepts, okay, all these concepts are available in our channel. If you missed, or if you have any queries, you can please go to the day 1, day 2, day 3 of our classes, which are available in our channel. So today's topic is word problems using equations. Many students fear about the word problems, but today we'll make that easy. Okay, so we'll discuss different types of word problems today. One is number problems, the other one is age numbers and consecutive numbers, and money problems, and the fractional word problems. Coming to the type 1, the number problems, just look into the question. A number increased by 7 is 25. Find the number. So word problems, if we carefully convert the English into mathematics, these word problems are very easy. So just look into this question. Okay, a number increased by 7 is 25. Find the number. So we don't know what is that number. Let us consider the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, now this number is increased by 7, and that is 25. So number increased by 7 means we are adding 7 to this number, and this becomes 25. Okay, now we set up the equation x plus 7 is equal to 25. Now we have to find out what is x. Now move this 7 to the RHS side. This plus 7 becomes minus 7. So 25 minus 7 is 18. So therefore x equal to 18. So in the word problems, write down the solution as the number is 18. The number is 18. So this is the answer. Okay, let's take another example in the number problems. The question is twice a number minus 5 is 17. What is the number? Okay, so look at this question carefully. Twice a number minus 5 is 17. What is the number? So first of all, what we have to do? We have to consider the number. So let the number be x. Now, as for the given data, twice a number, that number is x, twice means 2x, minus 5, 2x minus 5 is 17. So that is equal to 17. Now we got the equation. Now we have to find out what is x. What is the next step? Move this minus 5 to the RHS side. This becomes plus 5. So 2x is equal to 17 plus 5. 17 plus 5 is 22. Now we want x alone. So 2 is in multiplication with x. So it is moving to the RHS and it becomes division. So 22 divided by 2 is 11. So therefore x equal to 11. So the number is 11. So that is the answer. And the next word problems are consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are the numbers that follow each other in order from smallest to largest. They exactly increase by 1 without any gaps. Okay, so they are the consecutive numbers. So let's see the example in this consecutive numbers. The question is the sum of two consecutive numbers is 41. What are those numbers? Okay, so the question is the sum of two consecutive numbers is 41. what are those numbers. So we have to consider the numbers. Let the two consecutive numbers be, let the two consecutive numbers be x comma x plus 1. See, they follow each other in order and also they exactly increase by 1 from smallest to the largest. So I'm considering x and x plus 1 as two consecutive numbers here. So as for the data, it is given that sum of two consecutive numbers, that means sum of x and x plus 1 is 41. X plus 1 is equal to 41. Now simplify this. X plus x is 2x. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 41. Move 1 to the RHS. It is 41 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 by 2. That is 20. So one number is 20. What is the other number? That is x plus 1, 20 plus 1, which is 21. X plus 1 is equal to 20 plus 1 is 21. So therefore, the two consecutive numbers are 20 and 21. The two consecutive numbers are 20, 21. That is the answer. See, 20 plus 21 is 41. We got the answer. Now let's see another problem from consecutive numbers. The question is, the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 34. Find the numbers. We know what are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means the numbers that are next to each other in order. Okay. Now consecutive even numbers. Even numbers means they will increase by 2. Okay. So consecutive even numbers. So first of all, we have to consider those two numbers. So if we consider the number to be x, the next number will be x plus 2 because they are even numbers. Okay. So let us consider, let the even number, the first even number be x. So the next number would be what is the next number? It is x plus 2. Now these are the two consecutive numbers x and x plus 2. Now according to the question, the sum of two consecutive even numbers is 34. Sum of these two numbers means x plus 2 is equal to 34. Now simplify this equation. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 2 is equal to 34. Now move this 2 to the RHS, it becomes minus 2. So 34 minus 2. So 34 minus 2 is 32. Now 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 2, that is 16. So therefore x is equal to 16. Okay. So one even number is 16. So the other even number is x plus 2, that is 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So therefore, the two consecutive even numbers are, the two consecutive even numbers are 16 and 18. Now how can we check this? Just add 16 and 18, we'll get 34. 16 plus 18 is 34. So we got the answer correctly. Now let's see another type of word problems, that is age problems. Many students find age problems very confusing, but once you learn the steps, they become super easy. Let's begin. Age problems involve present age, past age, future age and relationships between ages. One important thing that you have to remember is age changes with respect to time. Suppose now the age is some x and after 10 years it becomes some x plus 10. Now the age is 5, after 10 years it is 15. 3 years ago it is 2. Okay, so that's what we have to remember in the age problems. Let's solve the first problem, that is, question is, father is 3 times as old as his son. The total age is 48. What is the age of father and his son? So first of all, we need to know what we have to consider as x. Okay, so if we translate this age problems which are in English into mathematics carefully, this age problems will be very easy. So look at the question very carefully. So the question is, father is 3 times as old as his son. So let us consider the son age to be x. Okay, so let the son's age be x. Okay, now as per the given data, what is the father's age? Father's age is equal to, they have given that father is 3 times as old as his son. So son's age is x. So father's age will be 3 times of his son's age, which is x. 3 into x is 3x. Now their total age is 48. That means the sum of the son's age and father age is 48. So add these two. X plus 3x is equal to 48. On simplification, x plus 3x is 4x. So 4x is equal to 48. Now x equal to 48 by 4 is 12. So we have x is equal to 12. What is x? X is son's age. So therefore son's age is 12 years. Now what is the father's age? Father age is 3 times the son's age. So father age will be equal to 3 into 12, that is 36 years. So we have son age is equal to 12 years and father's age is 36 years. Now add these two, son age and father age. 12 plus 36 is 48 years, which is given in the question. So the ages are correct. Now let us solve another problem from the age problems. So the question is, Rahul is 4 years older than his sister. The sum of their ages is 24 years. Find their ages. Okay, so what is x here? What we have to consider as x? Rahul's age or his sister's age? See, look at the question carefully. Rahul is 4 years older than his sister. Okay, that means we have to consider the sister's age first. Okay, so let the sister's age be x. Okay, so let the sister's age be x. Now they have given that Rahul is 4 years older than his sister. That means Rahul's age is equal to, he is 4 years older to his sister. That means x plus 4 is Rahul's age, and it is also given that sum of their ages is 24 years. So sum of their ages, Rahul's age and her sister's age, is equal to how much it is? 24 years. So sum of their ages is x plus 4 is equal to 24. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 4 is 24. So move this 4 to the RHS, it becomes minus 4. So 2x is equal to 24 minus 4 is 20. So x is equal to 20 by 2, which is 10. So what is x here? Sister's age is x. So therefore sister's age, Rahul's sister's age is 10 years. Now what is the Rahul's age? He is 4 years older to his sister. That means x plus 4, that is 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 years. Now let's check if the sum of the ages is 24 or not. 10 plus 14 is 24. Verification, 10 plus 14 is equal to 24 years. So the sum of their ages is 24 years. Hence we got the ages correctly. Coming to the next type of word problems, that is money problems. Let's look into the question. A pen costs 5 rupees more than a pencil, and the total cost is 25 rupees. What is the cost of a pen and pencil? Okay, so what we have to take as x? So let's check the question carefully. A pen costs 5 rupees more than a pencil. That means first of all we need to consider the pencil cost to be x. Okay, so let the cost of pencil be x. Okay, now it is given that pen costs 5 rupees more than a pencil. So pen cost will be equal to, it is 5 rupees more than the pencil, so x plus 5, and the total cost is 25. That means the cost of pen and pencil is equal to 25 rupees. So cost of pen and pencil, total cost of pen and pencil is equal to how much? It is 25 rupees. So sum of x and x plus y, x plus 5 is equal to 25. On simplification we have x plus x is 2x plus 5 is equal to 25. So 2x will be equal to 25 minus 5. So 2x will be equal to 20. So x will be equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. So what is x? It is the cost of pencil. So therefore cost of pencil is how much it is? 10 rupees. Now cost of pen will be equal to, it is 5 times, it is 5 more than a pencil. So 10 plus 5, that is 15 rupees. Now add these two costs, 10 and 15. 10 plus 15 is 25 rupees. So it is the right answer. Now we have the next type of word problem, that is fractional word problems. So the question here is 1/3 of a number plus 4 equals 10. What is the number? Okay, check the question carefully. 1/3 of a number plus 4 equals 10. So let us consider the number be x. Let the number be x. So as per the given data, 1/3 of that number, so 1/3 of x will be x by 3. 1 by 3 into x, that is x by 3 plus 4 equals to how much it is? 10. So now we set the equation, x by 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now first of all move this plus 4 to the RHS, it becomes minus 4. So x by 3 is equal to 10 minus 4, x by 3 is equal to 6. Now this 3 is in the division on the LHS side. So if it is moving to RHS, it becomes multiplication. So 3 into 6 is 18. So therefore the number is 18. The number is 18. So this is the answer. So how do we check it? How do we check it? What number? So 1/3 of 18. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Equal to 10. So the number is 18 is the correct answer. Okay, before we finish, let's quickly summarize what we have learnt today. Okay, so today we discussed number problems, consecutive numbers, age problems, money problems, and fractional word problems. Okay, so remember, whatever the type of problems, type of word problems we have, read the question carefully. Read the question even 2 times. Okay, don't rush. Okay, so easily understand the story. Convert the English sentences into mathematics carefully. Okay, next, convert into math and then solve step by step. So first of all, assign the unknown value to a variable, then solve it step by step. Okay, if it is consider the terms like sum means addition. Okay, difference means subtraction. Like terms, check the like terms, add them or multiply them. Check the consecutive numbers, whether it is age problems, whatever it is. If it is age problems, consider if it is present, past, future. Okay, check all these things and solve it step by step, then it becomes very easy for you. Okay, so if you practice more problems, these word problems will be very easy to you. Okay, So if you find this video helpful, save it for revision and share it to your friends also. And if you find this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.